based out of Chicago. And basically, this body of work that is on display right now is a body of work that started in 2016. It's called CIFR, and basically it stands for CIFR stands for zero. And all the works in this show are basically a representation of either the mathematical version of zero or the Eastern philosophical version of zero. There are pigments that have been used that are sourced from all over the world. I have kept to a primary color palette, which is yellow and red and blue, along with white muslin, which is the Indian hand-woven muslin. And all the works celebrate this form of cone, which for me is motion, and how I equate it to zero is that's the journey of this.
No, actually, people start from the 1, 2, 3 are like that, Why do you start with cipher,
Cipher means zero, and zero is basically a placeholder for nothing, like something that is not there. But if you look at the philosophical point of view, zero is also like a placeholder for the absence that could be filled in infinite number of ways. So in that sense, zero can be equated to infinity. So that is the whole point, that you are basically trying to capture the microcosm and macrocosm simultaneously.
Have you already, in the past, you have already any exhibition? You have exhibited?
Well, I've had exhibitions all over the world. I exhibit extensively in Chicago and all over America. And this is my first solo show in Delhi. So yes, I'm very excited about that.